Good day! I'm Kimberly May K.D. Guzman from CBT 19104P, and I'll be discussing about remote work and virtual teams management. This topic is very relevant today, especially after the pandemic kung saan maraming companies ang nag-allow sa employees nila to work from home using online tools. The remote work is a way of working na hindi mo kailangan pumunta sa office. Pwede kang magtrabaho kahit nasa bahay ka using a laptop, internet at mga online apps. While virtual teams naman is a group of employees who work together online kahit magkakalayo sila ng place. The remote is helpful work in companies kasi nakakasave sila sa gastos like office space at utilities. Para naman sa employees, mas flexible ang oras, less stress sa biyahe, and mas convenient. Plus, companies can also hire talented people from different places. But of course, may mga challenges din like poor communication, lack of face-to-face interaction, at time zone differences that once affects teamwork. For HR strategies, para mas ma-manage to, may strategies ng HR like pag-set ng clear goals and expectations, paggamit ng online tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Slack, at pag-organize ng virtual team building para connected pa rin ang employees. In conclusion, remote work and virtual teams are now the new normal in modern workplaces. Malaki ang role ng HR to keep productive and connected ang employees kahit magkakalayo sila. And the second topic is digital transformation in HR, focusing on HRIS and AI applications. Nowadays, technology plays a big role in human resource management. The software used to manage employee data, such as attendance, payroll, and performance, is called the Human Resource Information System, or HRIS, while AI, or Artificial Intelligence, aids HR in making more intelligent choices, such as automatically screening candidates or forecasting resignation rates. Digital transformation helps for more maging efficient or organize ang HR work instead of focusing sa paperwork. Nakaka-focus sila more on employees in people management. Example of HRIS ay SAP, SuccessFactors, Workday, at Oracle HR. As for AI, it used in chatbots na sumagot sa employees' questions or nagbibigay ng training recommendations. But there are also challenges such as data privacy issues. Mataas na cost ng systems at need ng training para matutunan ng employees gamitin to. In conclusion, digital transformation makes HR work faster, smarter, and more effective. This is a big step towards the futures of human resource management. That's all for my two topics. Thank you.